472 concatenated words, and let's read the question. Question is saying that we have given an array of string words without duplicate. We don't have any duplicate elements in this words string. Okay, return all the concatenated words in the given list of words. So we have to return these we have to return the concatenated words, and we have to return into the list, right? In the given list of, we have given the list of words, so we have to return the concatenated words, we can say. Let's see what is the concatenated words is. It is saying that a string is we has a concatenated word is nothing but a string, and it comprised entirely of a list two sort of words in the given array. How we'll do that? Let's say we have an example one in which we are given words in which the first word is nothing but a 2D array, right? Like this we have, right? And for each element here is a s1, s2, s3, like this, and this is nothing but our words, right? So at 0 what we have got, we have 1. At 0 we have what? 0. Sorry, I'm talking about 2D, but this is single array. Okay, so the word we have 0. At position 0 we have cat. At 1 we have cats. At 2 we have cats, dog, cats. 3 we have cat. 4, 5, 6, 7, like that we have elements, right? And this is nothing but a single array. Okay, now what we will do, we have to find out the concatenated words, and then we will return all the concatenated words, right? That we have to return, you see here. Now what we will do, see the explanation. It is saying that cats, dog, cats can be concatenated by cats, dog, and cats, right? So again, cats, dog, cats can be connected by what? Dog, cat, dog. And if we talk about cat, dog, cat can be connected by rat, cat, dog, cat. Okay, and that's why it is returning these three: cats, dog, cat, dog, cats, dog, and rat, cat, dog, cat. And that's why we are returning these three elements, right? And we have given this one, this one, this one, and this one we have already given, right? So what we have to do, we have to do we have at least two shorter words we have given, that we have to combine, and then we have to check the element is present in the string or not, right? So that's why we are getting this value, right? Let me clean again. Yeah, so see what we have given: cat we have given, cats we have given, dog we have given, rats we have given, right? These four we have given, and based on these combinations we are making what? Cats, dog, cats we are doing. So from the cats we will get from here, right? In the first starting element, right? Cats. Now we have dog, we will get from here, right? We have dog. Now we have cats again, so we will use these cats. So we are using this one and this one for making the cats, dog, cat, right? Again, the next element has dog, cat, dog, cats, dog. So we are using this dog, right? And this we are using cats. Okay, and that's we are making. Again, what we have: rat, cat, dog, cat. So first we will take rat, then we will use cat, then we will use what? Dog, and then we will use again cat. And like that we will we will concatenate through these elements, and we will make these elements, right? So these are the words that we are looking for to return all the concatenated words. We have concatenated this, right? And these concatenated words is nothing but it has been comprised through two sorter words, through the two sorter words, and at least we should have at least two sorter words, right? But we are using three here, and four here, so it will work. It is more than two element we have. More than two element we should have at least two, greater than equal to should be 2, right? And here we are using three elements, here using three elements, here we are using four elements, and that's why we can consider this one. Now if we'll talk about, no, we can take what? Cat's dog, right? We can take cat's dog. So it is saying uh, these two words, right, should have at least in such a way it should come as a we are taking as a what uh, more words, right? We can take more words also, right? And that's why if we'll do cats, dog, cats, right, that we can do. But if we'll do cats, dog, cats, right, so at least two elements you have to choose shorter elements and then you have to make this, right? So if you do this one, so all the combination we have already in this element, right? We have already in this element. If you make through any of these four elements, the shorter element if you take, then you can make. Similarly, if you see here what we are taking here, words we have, right? So in the words you will see cat, dog, cat we have, right? So we are returning only cat, dog, this element, because if you make the combination dog, cat, cat, dog, right, like that, someone can say I can make dog and then I can say cat, right? So this is a new element. We have already we have cat, dog, right? Combination we have already made this one, right? If we'll make cat, dog, right, new element, right, as a new element, how we'll do that? It's already here, right? And that we can say that we are already making this element is already present, right, like that. Like that we have already present here, we have already present this element is there. This will not consider because that is not possible here, right? Similarly what we have, rat, cat, dog we have. So this combination is given, so you have to check from here only. If we'll make this if we'll choose this two smallest element, can we make this element, right? Can we make this word from the shorter words, right? So you can make cat and cats, right? You can make cats, cat, dog, but it should be in the words, right? It should be in the word. Similarly, if you talk about this one, this is the best example you can say, right? So in this case we are removing hippopotamus, and any other example if you don't have in the list, and you're not able to make that string from the given shorter element, shorter words, then you can't do that, right? So let's go to the coding browser and we'll see how to implement this one, right? So you understand this element, right? So what we are doing, let me go to here, give me 1 minute. So if you'll see here what we are doing, we are checking the element, each element we are checking. So first of all we'll consider this element and we'll check, is the cat have the element, is we have already traversed all the element and we have this word is concatenated from any other length, right? Then we will check. No. Similarly, if we'll reach here, how we'll consider this one? Let's suppose this one, right? So we'll consider, we will concatenate, right? So we'll let's see, we are taking this one, we are dividing like this for the convenience. We are not going to in the depth. So the first we have cats, right? So we'll look into cats. Do we have cats? Yes, do we have? Now we will check the dogs, right? Do we have dog? Yeah, do we have dog? Similarly, we'll say, do we have cats? Yeah, we have cats, right? Like that we will do. So in the first element, if we'll consider C, right, in this one, right? So what we have C, so we don't have any C in this as a new string, right? Like this we don't have. Again we have car, CA, so we don't have in that, but we have cat, right? So yeah, we will say that we have cat, right? But if we'll come cats, right, so we'll say cats, yeah, cats we have element, so we'll consider cats. Similarly we'll go to cats D, no we don't have, so we will not consider this one. Next we will take dog, so we'll from when we will come here and will not get in the new element, then we will not consider here, we will previous we will consider this one only. Next we will consider next element dog, like that. First will come D, that is not available, oh no, when we will get G, so we will get into our this one, we will find this one and we'll say that in that way we'll consider our length. So is it at least two shorter length we have, greater than equal to 2 we have, then we'll consider this element as a uh, as a output, you can say. Okay, we will add into the output list. Okay, again if we'll talk about the hippopotamus, right? So if I'll take HIPPO like that, we don't have hippopotamus in here, right? So from a starting element only, and we'll move to the last one. Okay, we'll not get any elements similar to that or after dividing even, right? So what we will do, we'll choose like this only. So let's go to the browser section and we'll see our coding part. Get all the words from here and we'll put onto somewhere, and then we will check one by one, right? Or either we will make the loop for this words, right? And for each index we will have a single word, right? Like that. So if we'll talk about what we will take, let's see, we have for loop we have, right? And in this for, what we will do, will for all words we will move, right? And this word is nothing but what our string w. Let's suppose this is string w. Okay, so for all words we will move for this element, right? And see, for these words are nothing but at each index with the double quote, right? So we will get one by one here for each, you can say. Now come here. Now what we should do, uh, we will take one element, yeah, we should take one value that is nothing but our set. Okay, so let's say we have unique set. Okay, I'll take unique, let's see, let unique set only, like this. We have unique set and we will store our new has map. Okay, will on the new has map we will take new has set, sorry, we are taking set, right? So we'll take set and we'll say this one. Okay, and in this what we will take, we will take arrays, right? So in the arrays we will pass as list and we'll convert these words, right, into list, because we have given in the list, right, words. So now done. Now this is we have to define, right? So what we have, this one, this is a we can say set, right? Set of string we have, right? Like this, string. And similarly what we will do here, we'll take we can say a dp, right? Let's suppose we'll take integer, this is nothing but our visited, right? So I'll take uh, not integer type, we should take for each words, right? Is this visited or not, like from the part, right? Which part we are talking about? So this part is visited or not from the starting, right? So we'll take a dp, and this is dp, and this is nothing but visited. For visited subarray, for visited subarray I'll take, right? And this is nothing but a new, and we'll say boolean, right? Boolean, and we'll pass the we have given what words we have given, right? So we'll take words, right? For each word we are getting words, right? So we'll take word w dot, we have length, right? This one, this is done. We should take if we passing, we are taking array as a memory, right? Then we should always take one more length, right? And we'll take this is a nothing but our boolean. Okay, so this part is done. Now we have to increment uh, one more thing we can do. This is our nothing but what, this is array, right? So for this position initial value will take as a 0, right? At this position we'll take sorry, true, will take true here, and this is nothing but at index 0. That's why we have taken +1, right? And for each index we will move, right? So for all the words we have to go for each all the characters to like we can for the substring, right? So what we will do, we will start from I equal to, there will be I equal to, we'll start from 1, let's suppose, and then I will less than will go to what, less than equal to the word length, right? And the word length is what, w dot length, right? We have our word, and each word we will move from 1 to its length, right? Right, first we've got cat, right? So then we will start from cat, cat, right, till the length we will go. Okay, and then we'll say nothing but I plus plus, correct? Now what should we do now? For all the character, right, we will check uh, in the visited we have visited or not, right? And we'll also check its length, right? So how we'll do that? let's suppose we have a loop, right, internally for each element, right, for each character. Let's suppose I'm talking about, we have the first word is came what, cat, like this, right? So for cat, it is coming cat. So what we'll do, for we'll start from its length, right? Let's suppose we have int j, and this is nothing but what, we will pass for all the element, we'll take I equal to what, w dot its length, right? We'll check its, if its length is equal to that, right? I is equal to at the length, right? Then either we'll pass what, 1, right, if it is true, otherwise we'll pass 0, right, for I value. Okay, and this condition we will, and internally we will make another condition and we'll say, is this visited or not? So we have dp and this is visited. So if the dp visited at I, and we'll say j is less than what, I, and then j plus plus, correct, like this. So we have this condition. We are moving to let me first write and then we'll consider. So we have our dp, right? Dp visited we have. So at dp visited we'll add this element, right? dp visited we have, at this position j we have, and our we have unique set that we have taken, and that will say contains, and we'll pass our word dot this substring, this one, and we'll pass our what, I to sorry, j to I, right, this. And once this substring is added onto the dp visited, what we will do, we'll come to this for loop, right, and we'll say, if this dp visited at what, at the length, right, of this word, of that word is we have, right, that is we have, right, then what we should do, if that is available, right, then what we will do, we'll say output, we have not taken output, so what we will take, we should take one output, and that is nothing but a set, right? We can take list also. So this is our list, and that is nothing but string. We'll take string, and this is our output, and this is nothing but we can take array like this. Okay, now we have our output, and on this output we will add this word, okay. So this word is ready. Once we have make this visited and we have checked, right, for all the elements, right, what we should do, we should return this output because we have added all the words, right. Let me summarize this again. See what we have taken. We have taken a unique set. Why we are taking unique set? We will, on this unique set, we will add all the substring, right. So we will get the substring from j to I, right, from j to I, and we'll add onto the unique set, so that we have not duplicate you can say substring, not duplicate string, and we are not going to check each time that we have in the list, right. And for that, let's suppose we got cat as a word, right. So we will start from I equal to 1 to its length, means cat, right, all the element we will move. And for all the element, if we'll say j is nothing but what, if we are starting from what, c, let's suppose c, so g will start from what, if its length is equal to I length is equal to w dot length, right. So we'll take either one, we'll say this is no, 1, or otherwise we'll take 0. So we'll start from j for all the element, okay. So first we will take 0, and then we'll take the element that we have here, right, 0 or 1 we'll take for all the element, and then we'll check onto the dp. If dp is we have here, then it will come. Give me 1 minute. First of all, what we have, let me choose a color. I'll take green one. Okay. So first of what we have taken this unique set, right? And we will store on this unique set. We will store all the words, right? So first we will take cat, then it is coming cats, then it is coming dogs. Like that, we will store. Okay, all these elements we will store. Similarly, we have output, right? So we'll make and we will take one output list and we'll check if this output have what element is there that we are making, right? So we have our cats, dogs, and cats, suppose this element. So if we'll talk about this one, suppose, so what will happen for cats, dog, cats, right? We will come, we will check onto here, right? We will get our substring at this position. We'll check this is visited or not, right? And we'll check here unique sets, right? These unique set contains this substring or not, right? So if I'll get this element for this element, how we'll get let's suppose we have cats, dog, and cats, right? Like this. So for cats, it is saying this, see, we'll start from this index. Let's see, we will start from I is here, right? And j will move from here to here. So first time j is coming to here. Suppose we will start from this element. We are talking about this element. So we'll check, we have our unique set size, and from the unique sets from j to I, right? From j to I. So if I is at this position, right? J will always start from what? Either 0 or 1. So if it start from 0, see, we are starting from what? Either 1 or 0. If its length is equal to w, right? I length is equal to w, then we'll consider 1, otherwise we'll take 0. So what we're taking here, we will have our cats at each element as a substring. We'll check that substring on the unique. So we have found here and the unique, right? So what we will do here, give me one. So what we will do here for all these cats, right? This is available at this position, right? This position we have, and so that we will update about this as a true. This is updated. So we'll check w dot length we will pass on this dp visited, and we'll check if this length is already available on where on the dp visited. Then what we will do, we will add our words, right? That word cats, dog, cats, right? We will add onto our list, our output, and then we will return our output. Okay. So what we have taken, we have considered cats, dog, cats, right? And then what we have taken, I equal to 1, we will start from I equal to 1 and we'll go to its length. So we will start from here. Let's suppose we'll start from here and then we will go to here. I will start from here to here. Okay. And for all the I, let's suppose we have a j will consider if ww at its length, then what we will do, we will update our j. So if G, let's suppose if I is that position here 0 1 to 4, let's suppose here, so j should be start from what? 0 to here, 0 to here, and that's why we will get our substring, right? And so that this substring we will check onto where, onto the unique set, right? Unique set. If this unique set contains, then what we will do, we will update its visited, right? We will get a visited, right? And then we will update onto our output this word, and then we will return as a output. Okay, so I think you have understood. Let me run this code. So what we are taking here, w dot length plus 1, right? Dp length should be w length plus this one, it should be there. Dp length, what we should take, w length we have, and then it should be, cannot find the symbol w, we have here w. Let's see, I'll give this name as word, right? So is it fine with the word? Okay, no, see, the this is not the error actually. We have did what here for the string, right? For the string there is a function that is not word length, that is like this, right? So where I have taken the word, we have taken here also, we have taken here also, right? 3 places. Now check this value. Now w dot length is visited, we have taken here also. Now we'll consider this will work. Let's submit this problem. Yeah, great. Thank you guys, thank you so much. Please like, hit, comment this video.